Hello everybody, this is the Hateful Honduran, and this is the first look through the lens of the Optrel Crystal 2.0. As you can see in its base grind mode, it is outstanding. And please forgive me for shooting this in vertical. This is the only way I could get the camera into the hood. As you can see, the color rendition is absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, since my shop is closed right now, I can't get any welding done, but I'll be sure to post a video of that when I do. Now, this is the first range, 4 through 8. And as you can tell, as I slowly increase the shade, the color is outstanding with a little bit of bluish tint, which is so much more preferable than the greenish tint. The color rendition is gorgeous. Here we go into the higher ranges, now to 8. As you can see, the only problem is the angular dependency. You can see that in the kind of striping or ribboning, and that is a little bit of a hassle. But when you're actually looking through bright light, it's really non-existent. Now here I take this into grind mode again, and then I will adjust the higher range, which is 8 through 12. Yeah, it's gorgeous right there. Here we go. And you can see that banding again. It really doesn't distort the picture, but it does create dark areas. Alright. Now, if you're wondering what all those are a bunch of fairly rare carnivorous plants. So, yeah, in my spare time, I have hobbies. What can I say? Alright, here's just another picture of my working desk. And as you can see, this helmet is really sensitive and does have really cool twilight mode. So this is the outside of the Crystal 2.0, and every way it is amazing. It's better than any welding mask I have seen so far. Even the paint itself is designed to reflect high amounts of heat, so I will be using this to oxy-weld. You know, why not? But this is definitely one on your Christmas list if you haven't already purchased something for yourself. Thank you very much. This is Hateful Honduran, and I am out of here.